Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Karen Costa in Reno, Nevada. We have an auction going on this week, and we have this 1961 Chevrolet pickup truck. It has been disassembled. We have old parts and we have new parts to go along with it. We are in Fallon, Nevada. We have an exit door here out to the street. Nice wide street, but as you can see, you will need to have a tow truck, a winch with a flatbed trailer in order to accumulate all of these parts, and the original parts and the new parts for this truck. We have lots of photos at karenwithani.costa.highbid.com. Let's take a walk through. The radiator bracket, steering column, bucket seats, transmission, tailpipe, gas can, original brackets, panels, bumpers. But you're going to have to load this and go. We have no help to help you get this out. Here's a windshield. Looks like it might be a replacement windshield. The bench seat, panels, radiator, hood. These are the original parts. They're in the cargo trailer. A Connex trailer. So you'll have to haul it out of here. Let's go see some of the
Okay,
old... So here's the original motor. It's on a motor stand. You take that along. I have a performance crankshaft. This is in the box, in the plastic. And over here on the shelves, I have different parts. Original parts and new parts, and this is a project. It would make a nice winter project for somebody who's looking for something to do. We have clear title on the vehicle. You will get the clear title and a bill of sale from the trustee, and it's a 13% buyer's premium, no sales tax. It'll run as a private party transaction. More sealed boxes, and another sealed box. This came in March or April of 2021. These are new floor panels, right and left floor panels for the truck. Again, bidding is at karenwithani.costa.highbid.com. And bidding will be Thursday, November 11th, 2021, with a pickup in Fallon on Saturday, November 13th by appointment. Please bring all of your labor, appropriate trucks and trailers and equipment to get all of these items put together and taken home. Again, that's Karen with an I, costa.highbid.com.